When you come to work at Kennametal, you can expect to be trained in a way that you're able to do your job effectively. You're confident.
Really what brought me to Kennametal was some of their opportunities for career development. The managers I've had, they've given me opportunities to go to different conferences as well as funded different learning experiences.
In the 20 years I've been here, I've worked different jobs like top and bottom, honing, electropolish, mark pack lid, and Vacqua.
Working at Kennametal, there's opportunities to move and to grow where you feel like maybe you've changed jobs, but you're still in the same factory.
There's no better pride than being able to have opportunities to become what you desire. And Kennametal provides those opportunities.